Hello everybody and welcome to my video today, you guys. I hope that you had a wonderful holiday, a wonderful Christmas. I hope that you got to spend time with friends and family and that you are recovering from all the yummy food. Today I'm sharing with you the January card kit to go. This is all product from the brand new Occasions catalog that goes live on January 3rd, which I'm so excited about. This card kit is done with Wendy Cranford, and we put together a few cards and some videos, and then you get kits, and we just have a good time putting cards together. So let me show you all of what you get and these beautiful cards. So these two Wendy did right here, and I have a very special offer that I'm offering this month since we're kicking off the new catalog, and I'll tell you all about that in just a few minutes. So here's the cards that Wendy created. Right here, we used the Forever Lovely designer paper that's in the new catalog. It's gorgeous. And then these are the two that I created. You can see they're really bright with a lovely lipstick and flirty flamingo. So these are the cards you'll get. So as always, you get an exclusive video from Wendy, you get an exclusive video from me, and we put the cards together and we show you how they go together, and then you get an exclusive PDF that we put together that you can print out. Follow has all the measurements so that you can duplicate these cards with other designer paper or other stamps. You have that. So let me share with you guys the product that you'll need and how you can get these kits. So you can get just the video and the PDF you can get for $20, and you'll get the video, the exclusive video, and the PDF all for that price, $20. If you just want the kit, so the kit comes with 2 cards per design. So you get to make 8 cards. You get your envelopes as well. So if you just want to get the kits and you don't want to get the product that goes along with it, you can do that for $25. Okay, so then the stamp sets that we're using is Forever Lovely and Meant to Be. These are both stamp sets that we're using. These are fabulous, and I love this one especially. This is the one that I used. I really love this one, but I love the framelets that go with this. So what can you do, right? You got to get all of it. So if you want either stamp set, okay, so if you just want the Forever Lovely or you want the Meant to Be, that's $32, and you get the card kit, the stamp set you pick, and then you'll get the envelopes, the videos, the PDF. Okay, so you'll just want to, you can pick either one. If you want to get both stamp sets, and you don't want the framelets, but you want the stamp sets, that's $55. So you get the kit, the PDF, the video, and then the stamp set, okay? If you want Forever Lovely, which is this stamp set and then this framelit set right here, the Forever Lovely bundle is $55. So you'll get the framelets, the stamp set, and then all the kit, the PDF, the video, all of that good stuff. If you want the Meant to Be only, so that's this stamp set right here, and this framelit set, and this framelit set has a lot of framelets. It has all of these plus all of these. So I take my framelits out, I put them on a magnet sheet, and I had to do both sides because you get so many, and some of them are stitched. They're really, really gorgeous, and this one is really fun right here. So if you want the Meant to Be bundle, that is going to be $62, and you get a celebration item. So we'll have to do some emailing. You'll have to let me know what you want, but you'll get a celebration item if you get this bundle. If you get both bundles, so you get this bundle, the Meant to Be bundle, you get the Forever Lovely bundle, that is going to be $115, and you get 2 free celebration items. Celebration items are found in your celebration catalog, and that's every $50 you spend, you get a free item. So if you get all of it for $115, you'll get both sets, which are gorgeous, and then you will also get 2 celebration items plus the kits. And I have a very special offer for you guys this month. If you get this card kit from me, you will also get an exclusive PDF tutorial with videos putting these cards together right here. So you don't get the kit, you don't get a kit to make these, but you get a PDF and an exclusive video putting these cards together right here when you get the card kit to go, which you get this here. So if you get product, you will be able to get all your kits. And then I have an exclusive PDF tutorial that I'm offering alongside this, because I felt like when I made my cards, Wendy and I hadn't coordinated quite like we usually do, and I felt like this card ended up looking quite a bit like Wendy's card. And so I decided to go ahead and put 3 more cards together and offer an exclusive PDF if you get the card kit from me. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, you can email me. All the links to purchase are wherever you're watching. If you're on YouTube, it's in the YouTube description below. If you are on my Facebook page, it's in the description. If you're on my website, it's right there under the video. If you're seeing this in the email, you'll see the ordering options right below the video. So thank you guys so much. I will be back. I am jumping into creating with the Occasions catalog, and I will be getting occasion catalogs out to all of my customers this week. So thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.